Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make water kefir soda. Water kefir is a fantastic fermented beverage, packed with beneficial probiotics. It's made using water kefir grains, which are a symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, along with sugar and non-chlorinated water. This process creates a delicious, fizzy drink that's a wonderful, healthy alternative to store-bought sodas. Let's dive into the simple steps to create your own. For your first fermentation, begin by dissolving about 1/4 cup of sugar in 1/2 cup of warm, non-chlorinated water in a glass jar. Once dissolved, add 3 more cups of cool, non-chlorinated water to bring the mixture to room temperature. Now, gently add about 1/4 cup of your active water kefir grains. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and let it ferment at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours, away from direct sunlight. After the first fermentation, it's time to add flavor and fizz. First, carefully strain your water kefir grains from the liquid using a plastic strainer. Remember, no metal. Now, you can get creative. Add about 1/4 to 1/3 cup of your favorite fruit juice, fresh fruit slices, or herbs to the strained kefir. Bottle this mixture in airtight bottles, leaving some headspace. Let it sit at room temperature for 1 to 3 days to build up that wonderful carbonation. Once your water kefir has reached your desired fizz and flavor, move the sealed bottles to the refrigerator. This slows down fermentation and keeps it fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. For your grains, store them in a fresh sugar water solution in the fridge if you're taking a break, changing the water every week or 2. Always use non-metal utensils with your grains. Don't be afraid to experiment with various sugars and fruits to discover your favorite unique water kefir creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.